This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a card in MS Word. First, open a new blank document in Microsoft Word. Next, navigate to the Layout tab and change the page orientation to landscape. This is ideal for most folded card designs. Then, adjust your page margins to a narrow setting, perhaps 1/2 inch, to maximize your design area. Finally, set your document to 2 columns. This creates a natural guide for where your card will fold, laying the groundwork for your custom creation. Now let's design the layout. Go to the Insert tab and select a line shape to visually mark the center fold of your card. This helps with placement. For your message, insert text boxes, which offer great flexibility for positioning. Remember to remove their default outlines and fills for a seamless appearance. For perfect alignment of all your elements, consider enabling grid lines from the View tab. They won't print but are incredibly helpful. Time to add some flair. You can insert pictures from your computer or choose from Word's extensive stock image library. When resizing images, always hold down the Shift key while dragging a corner to keep their proportions correct. Crucially, use the Wrap Text option and select in front of text to move your images freely around the page. Don't forget to explore different fonts and word art styles to make your message truly stand out. Finally, let's get your card printed. Always do a test print on plain paper first to check your layout and ensure everything is positioned perfectly. Once satisfied, load your chosen cardstock into your printer, paying attention to its feed direction. Print the first side, then carefully refeed the paper to print the second side. After printing, gently fold your card along the center line and trim any excess edges for a clean, professional finish. You've made a beautiful custom card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.